What if I told you you could make a full website, yes, a real website, just in under 30 minutes, just using AI? Sounds interesting, right? No need any code, programming, just type, drag and drop, and boom, your website is live. In this video, I am going to show you the step-by-step process how easily you can make any type of professional looking website just in few minutes using TenWeb AI Builder. You can easily make your professional website, blog, business or agency website, e-commerce site, anything you can imagine, you can easily make with TenWeb AI Builder, all hosted on their super fast platform. Whether you are a complete beginner or busy entrepreneur, this tool will save you hours of time and thousands of dollars of development cost. And the best part, everything is powered by AI, so you don't need any technical knowledge to build your dream website. Sounds interesting, right? Now, without any further delay, let's jump into the computer screen. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe this channel to watch more upcoming videos like this one. Now, without any further delay, let's jump into the computer screen. At first, open up your browser, and in browser URL, just simply type msbdigital.com/tenweb. Then hit enter. Yes, now we are in TenWeb official website. It is a AI-powered platform to build, host and scale website. Currently 1.5 million plus websites created with TenWeb AI, which is huge. If you hosted your site on different hosting company, then easily you can migrate your site into the TenWeb. Also, you can recreate any website or you can start blank website. TenWeb company actually use Google Cloud service, which is reliable and super fast. And you will get one free custom domain if you purchase their hosting plan. Also 90 plus page speed score and 99.99% uptime, which is insane. If I go to their pricing plan, then look at this. Only in $10 per month you can subscribe their AI starter plan. I already have an account, that's why I just simply click on my dashboard. And under websites, here I can see my MSB Digital website, which is already hosted on TenWeb. Now, to create a brand new website in TenWeb, just click on Create a Website in this button. Now in WordPress installation pop-up, here you can see few different options: single WP site, multi-site, clone. But in this case, I have selected single WP site, and under this, we need to enter site title. I just set MSB Squad as our site title, and next, we need to choose our data center location. Here we can see a bunch of different data center locations are available. My nearest targeted audience are in USA. Actually, my targeted audience are based on USA, that's why I choose the nearest one, USA. Next one, we need to enter a subdomain. This time I just simply type MSB Squad. If we set this one, then after installing the WordPress, anyone can visit our site by entering msbsquad.tenweb.site. And if you already have a domain, then just click on this option and type your domain name. I already have a domain. I just type msbsquad.com, my domain. Next, we need to enter WordPress admin credential. Here we need to enter admin username and password. I just simply type admin username MSB Squad and type the password right here. Okay. Now to install WordPress, I just simply click on create. Here you can see TenWeb setting up the hosting. In first step, then they will install the WordPress under hosting. And finally, they will finalize that. Now wait for a moment. And yes, we are done. Here you can see our site's name servers. If I click on learn more to set up that, then look at this. They will already provided us a detailed guideline to connect our domain with hosting. Now in Websites tab, here you can see our new site MSB Squad. Now to manage this site, I just simply click on this Manage button. Now we are in Websites Overview tab, or you can say Main tab. Here you can see all the necessary information. It is hosted on 10 Web Premium, data center, IP4 address, SSL is activated, and others information we can see right here. Now if we navigate to the Domains tab, here you can see msbsquad.10web.cloud. This is our primary domain, but I want to set msbsquad.com as our primary domain. Now if I click on details, here you can see we can easily connect our domain with name servers, and alternatively with DNS record easily we can connect our domain. I purchased MSB domain from Namecheap, that's why I just simply logged in, and from this domain msbsquad.com I just simply click on manage, and under this in name server by default Namecheap basic DNS is selected. From this drop down I just simply select custom DNS, and now one by one I just put 4 name servers right here, and after that I just tick on this option. And now if I click on recheck domain status, still I can see not pointed because it takes few hours sometimes, and we will check this again in later of this video. Now to start building our site, I just simply click on AI Builder. Now to add a new page, I just click on add new page, and here you can see 3 different options. If we select the first option, generate with AI, then we need to describe what we want in our page. Then AI will generate personalized design for us. Next option is AI recreation. In this option, all you need to do is just provide your favorite landing page or page URL. Then AI will recreate by itself. And third option is blank page. If you want to create page from scratch, then you should select third one. This time I just simply click on generate with AI this option, and here you can see we need to enter page title and we need to describe our page. In page title, actually I want to generate homepage for my site, that's why in title I just simply type MSB Squad Home. I just simply put some information about our site. Okay. Now to generate this page, I just click on this next button. Now look at this. AI is creating our page structure, and our structure is ready. In our page there will be some section, hero banner, our services, about MSB Squad, and some other sections are available. Under our services, this section, if I click on this plus icon, then look at this. Here you can see some other available options. Here under our services I want to add team section, that's why I just simply select team and trust terminal, these 2 sections. Now if I click on the first section, then look at this. For this section AI automatically put title and prompt. If you want to modify that, then easily you can change right here. Okay. In the next step, if I click on our services, here you can see other prompt for our services. For every single section, there will be a title and section prompt. Easily you can modify the section prompt. If I click on enhance with AI, then prompt will be enhanced. Now to start generating this page, I just simply click on this generate button. Then look at this. AI is preparing our page layout, and in second step they are generating content of this page, and in the third step generating the image of the page, and next they are making this page mobile optimized, and yes, we are done. And here you go, this is our home page. Fantastic, right? And it is built with Elementor. That means easily every single element we can customize. Now to see how it looks like, I just simply click on the eye icon to see the preview. So this is our hero banner. Here you can see about ourselves, our services. If I click on learn more, then I can see the details, our team members, testimonial, and about MSB squad, our number of employees, experience years, and finally call to action button. Excellent. Now we are in page editing mode. Now at this moment, if you want to change this hero banner image, then easily you can change it. Just delete this image and then click on choose image, and from media library easily you can select media, and if you want to upload a new image then you can do this as well. Not only that, every single element is customizable. Just select any of your preferred element that you want to change and customize it in your way. I recommend you to go to youtube.com and watch some Elementor videos, Elementor tutorials to learn basic Elementor for page editing. Now at this moment, if we go back to the TNF dashboard under AI Builder, here you can see our recently created page. It is built with AI, that's why you can see the AI badge. Now to publish this page, just change this status from draft to published. Here we can see a notification message that front page is not set. If I visit our website, then look at this. Front page is not set, that's why you can see the empty page right here. But from this three dot, if we set this MSB squad homepage as a homepage, then after setting this up, if we reload our website, then look at this. Our recently created page now set as homepage. Super easy, right? Basically under AI Builder tab, you can see your published page, and from the WordPress dashboard, easily you can set them in your preferred position, like in footer, header, anywhere as you wish. Next tab is e-commerce. If you want to sell products through your website, then all you have to need is just enable e-commerce features. Then premium widgets and templates will be unlocked, and easily you can sell your physical or digital products in your site. Now if I navigate to the backups option, then here you can see the available backups of our site. If I click on the manage option, then we can set our backup scheduling option. Backup option is crucial because at any time if you want to restore our site at a specific date, then easily we can do this using this backup and restore feature. Now under hosting services, first one is credential. Here you can see our site's data center, IPv4 address, SFTP info, database access, and others important information. Next tab is tools. Easily we can clear cache. Also we can easily enable or disable object cache. Not only that, also we can clear this from this option. And if you want to activate SSL, then you can do this from here, and under PHP version, here you can see available PHP version. If you want to switch your PHP version, then easily you can do this from here. Next option is staging environment. If you enable this one, then staging environment will be created where you can easily test changes and easily you can push update on your live site just in a click. Now if we navigate to the WordPress plugins, this tab, then here you can see our active plugins. If I click on add plugins, then here you can see the premium plugins of TNF. Also if we navigate to the upload, then actually easily we can add new plugins from here. And in themes, here you can see our installed theme of our site. Then under website booster, here you can see Easily, we can purchase Cloudflare CDN add-on just in a click. This will increase our page speed a lot. And another best feature in TNWeb is they are providing TNWeb Booster Pro plugin. Currently in our site it is active. This will optimize our site's page and this will give users a faster experience in our site. Next one is Image Optimizer. They have built-in Image Optimizer plugin. That means you don't need to install any additional plugin. Just click on Optimize now and they will optimize your entire site's images. And lastly, we will finish our domain setup. In Domains tab, here you can see our domain is now pointed. Now if I click on Make Primary, then here you can see we can easily make our domain primary and free SSL will be provided by TNWeb. Now I just simply click on confirm and yes, we are done. Now anywhere from the world, anyone can visit our site with this domain msbsquad.com. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you really enjoyed this one, then like this video and subscribe this channel to watch more upcoming videos like this one. And of course, don't forget to check the video description where I will put all of the necessary links. Alright, so that's it for this video. Goodbye.